How to build a JavaScript Datagrid in a minute. Let's build a JavaScript Datagrid in 1 minute. We'll start with a simple JavaScript application made with Vite. First, we install the required packages from npm. In a VS Code terminal, type npm install at meshias/wijmo.purejs.all. This will install everything we need to build a JavaScript Datagrid. Next, in our HTML file, we add an element to host our JavaScript Datagrid. A simple div tag with a unique ID. Notice, we also have a reference to our JavaScript file in this page. In our main.js file, we import the grid module. Then, we add some data. In this case, a JavaScript array of objects. Now, let's initialize our JavaScript Datagrid by creating a new instance and passing our host element ID in its constructor. Next, we can bind the grid to our array of data by setting its item source property. The last code we need is to import our style sheet. We can open styles.css and import it there. These styles are required to give the grid a layout and a theme. That's it. Now, in VS Code terminal, we can build and run our app. Since this is a Vite app, we can type npm run dev. This will build the app and host it locally. In our browser, we can see the app running. We have a fully functional JavaScript Datagrid in just a minute. This grid can be sorted and edited, plus more bells and whistles that we can add from here. Download a free trial today at developer.meshias.com.